Okay, good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
Okay, how are you today?
I am and you?
You are happy. Teacher is also good. Okay, what day is today?
Today
Today is Wednesday. Okay, today is Wednesday. What is the color for Wednesday? Wednesday, siya ka? Green. Very good. How do you spell green?
Green.
Very good. Green. Okay, so for today, our subject is English. Okay, so we're going to continue with our subject English and we will be using the Smile workbook. Okay? Okay, so last meeting, we have learned about the parts of the body and the commands. Okay, so for now, for today, we're going to have farm animals. We will be learning about farm animals. Okay, so what are the animals that live in the farm? Okay, so first, let's have our vocabularies for today. Okay, so we have vocabulary number 1, we have the word farm. Farm. Number 2, we have the word animals. And number 3, we have the word duck. Number 4, we have the word rabbit. Number 5, we have the word bird. Okay, number 6, we have chicken. Yes, number 7, we have the word fish. Very good. In number 8, we have the word sheep.
Sheep.
Very good. Number 9, we have the word horse. Okay, very good. Number 10, we have the word cat.
Cat.
Number 11, we have the word dog. Okay, so these are our vocabularies for today that we're going to learn. Okay, so we have farm. Number 2, animals. Number 3, duck. Number 4, rabbit. Number 5, bird. Number 6, chicken. And number 7, fish. Number 8, sheep. Number 9, horse. Number 10, cat. And number 11, dog. Okay, so let's proceed to our discussion about the vocabulary and let's make some sentences. Okay, so we have here, okay, what animal is this? What animal is this?
Chicken.
Very good. It's chicken. So how many chickens are there? How many chickens are there?
It's a 4.
There are 4. Very good. So how do you spell chicken? Okay, how do we spell chicken? E H I C N. Very good. So that's how we spell chicken. Okay, so let's make sentence using the word chicken. Okay, so we have the chickens are white. The chickens
are white.
Very good. The chickens are white. Okay, so they are color white. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. We have, okay, what animal is this?
Dog.
Very good.
Dog.
It's a dog. Okay, so How do you spell dog? How do you spell dog? Very good.
D-O-G.
D-O-G. Okay, so let's try, let's make sentence using the word dog. Okay?
D-G-Z.
Okay, so we have the sentence. The dog is cute. Very good. The dog is cute.
Is cute. Number 2.
Okay. So we have the sentence.
Dog.
Okay.
D-O-G.
Okay. So we have the word dog and the sentence is the dog is cute. Okay. So let's proceed to the next one. We have. Okay. What animal is that?
A rabbit.
Very good. It's a rabbit. How do we spell the word rabbit? We have R
R-A-B-I-T.
A B. Very good. We have the rabbit. Okay. So let's make sentence using the word rabbit. Okay. So, okay. Okay. So the sentence using the word rabbit
The
is
rabbit is hopping.
very good. The rabbit is hopping. Okay. So it means hopping.
The rabbit is happy.
Very good, students. Okay. So that's our sentence for the word rabbit. Okay. Next is we have what animal is it?
Sheep.
Very good. It's a sheep. Okay. How do we spell sheep?
S-E-E-P.
Mhm. Okay. We have S-H-E-E-P. Okay. Okay, so sheep, we spell it as S-H-E-E-P. Okay, very good. So let's make sentence using the word sheep. Okay, so please read the sentence.
Eating.
Very good. The sheep is eating. What is the sheep eating? Very good. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. Okay, we have. Okay. What animal is it? Quack, quack, quack. What animal? Again?
Duck.
Duck. Very good. How do you spell the word duck? Okay, we spell duck as
Quack, quack.
quack, quack. No, how do you spell duck?
D-U-C-K.
Very good. D-U-C-K. Duck. Okay, so what is the sound of a duck?
Duck.
Duck, duck. Okay, it's quack, quack, quack. Yes. So, what is the color of the duck?
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good. It is yellow. Okay, so
Yellow.
let's try to make or let's make sentence using the word duck.
Quacking. The
Okay.
duck is yellow.
Okay, the duck is
yellow.
yellow. Very good. Okay, what is the duck doing? It's
Quacking.
quacking. Okay, what about this one? The duck is swimming, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. We have. Oh, what animal is it?
A horse.
A horse. Very good. It's a horse. Okay. What is the sound of a horse? Okay. Okay, so neigh. Okay, very good. So how do you spell horse? Okay, Maggie, how do you spell horse?
H-O-R-S-E.
Very good. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Okay. Okay, so let's make sentence using the word horse. We have a horse can run fast. Okay,
A horse
can
can
run fast.
run fast.
Very good. A horse can run fast. Okay, very good. What?
A horse can run fast.
Okay, yes. A horse can run fast. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. We have, what animal is it?
A cat.
A cat. Very good. What is the cat doing?
Is walking.
Very good. It's walking. How do you spell cat? How do you spell? Oh, you like cat?
C-A-T.
Okay, very good. C-A-T is how we spell cat. Okay. So let's make sentence using the word cat. We have
Cat is walking.
very
Cat
good.
is walking.
Okay, very good, students. The sentence is the cat is walking. Okay, very good. So let's proceed to the next one. What animal is it? Okay.
Correct.
Very good. Rat or a mouse? Okay, so how do you spell rat? How do you spell rat? We have R. Very good. R-A-T.
S-T.
Okay. M-O-U-S-E is how we spell mouse. Okay, very good. So let's try or let's make sentence using the word rat. Okay, so we have the sentence.
The rat is running fast.
Very good. The rat is running fast. Okay, very good. And we have the last slide. We have, what animal is it? It's a fish. Very good. So,
Fish.
very good. So how do you spell fish?
F-I-S-H.
Okay, F-I-S-H. Okay, so let's make sentence using the word fish. We have the fish is small.
The fish is small.
Very good. The fish is small. Okay, so these are our vocabularies and sentences for today. Okay, so we have the farm animals. Okay, okay, so farm animals are the animals that can live in the farm and can live with the human being. Okay, so they are not the dangerous animals. Okay, so let's proceed to your workbook. Okay, so if you have your workbook with you, you can open it on page 34. 34 ค่ะ. Okay, so on page 34, we have here in Unit 4, which is on the farm. So we have exercise number 1. We have the instruction. Follow each line and write the words. Okay, so we're going to follow the lines and we're going to write the name of the animal. Okay, so for example, number 1, which is in color green line, we have this one. What animal is this?
Duck.
Duck. Very good. So how do you spell duck? D-U-C-K.
D-U-C-K.
Okay, very good. So you're going to write on the blank. Okay, so let's proceed to number 2. Okay, number 2, we have, what animal is
เปิดไม้ได้
this?
แล้ว
Chicken. Chicken.
Chicken. Very good. So how do you spell chicken? Spell it as C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken.
Chicken.
Okay, very good. Next, we have number 3. Number 3, what animal is this?
Horse.
A horse. Very good. How do you spell horse? H-O-R-S-E. Okay, very good. So number 3 is horse. Okay. Next, number 4. What animal is this?
Rat.
Very good. It's a rat. Okay, so how do you spell rat? We spell it as...
R-A-T.
Okay, very good. R-A-T, rat. Okay. Next, last number is number 5. What animal is this? Okay, it's a sheep.
Number 5.
Okay, it's a sheep. Okay, so how do you spell sheep again? Spell it as S-H-P-E-E-P. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Okay, so number 1 is duck. Number 2 is chicken. Number 3 is horse. Number 4 is rat. Number 5 is sheep. Okay, so are you finished?
Okay. Finish.
Finish. Very good. Okay, so if you are finished, we will proceed to page 35. 35 ค่ะ. Okay, so on page 35. So we have the instruction, complete the crosswords. We have the words cat, rabbit, duck, bird, sheep, fish, horse, and hen. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to complete the crosswords. Okay, so we're going to start with the horizontal first, or horizontal crosswords. Okay, this one. What animal is this?
Duck.
Duck. Very good. So how do you spell duck? How do you spell duck? You're going to write it on each boxes. Okay, so we spell...
D-U-C-K.
Very good. D-U-C-K. So you're going to write on the box. Okay, very good. Next is this one. What animal is this?
Bird.
Bird. Very good. So how do you spell bird? How do you spell bird?
B-I-R-D.
Very good. B-I-R-D, bird. So you write on the boxes provided. Okay, next we have this animal. What animal is this?
Sheep.
Sheep. Very good. So how do you spell sheep again?
S-E-E-P.
Okay, S-H-E-E-P. Very good. Next, we have what animal is this?
Fish.
It's a fish. Okay, so how do we spell fish?
F-I-S.
Very good. F-I-S-H. Okay, so you write it on the box. Next is we're going to do the vertical crosswords or the downward crosswords. So what animal is this?
Cat.
Cat. Very good. How do you spell cat? We have
C-A-T.
C-A-T. Very good. So you write A and T downwards. Okay, next is this one. What animal is this? Rabbit. Very good.
Rabbit.
So we have the rabbit. How do you spell rabbit? B-I-B-I-T. Very good. So we spell rabbit as R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Next, we have, what animal is this?
Chicken.
Chicken, or we say hen. Okay, hen. Mother chicken, we call it hen. Okay. So how do we spell hen? We have
H-E-N.
H-E-N. Very good. Hen. Next, we have, what animal is this?
Horse.
A horse. Very good. How do you spell horse? H.
H-O-R-S-E.
Very good. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Okay, very good. Okay, so that's for exercise number 2 in page 35. So we have duck, cat, rabbit, bird, hen, sheep, horse, and fish. Okay, so very good, students. So are you finished?
Yeah, finish.
Okay, very good. Okay, so let's proceed to the last activity for today. We have on page 36. Page 36 of your workbook. Okay, so we have exercise number 3. Exercise number 3, we have the instruction. Find each word and circle it, then write each word. Okay, so we're going to find the words and we're going to encircle, and then we're going to write it on the blanks provided. So for example, in number 1, we have here the chicken or the hen. Okay, so we have H-E-N. We have it here. So encircle and write it on the blank. Okay, so let's proceed to number 2. What animal is this?
Horse.
A horse. Okay, very good. So where is the horse in here? H-O-R-S-E, you're going to encircle. H-O-R-S-E, you're going to encircle. And you're going to write on the blank provided. Okay, so write horse on the blank. Okay, so first you're going to encircle and write it on the blank. Okay, next, number 3. What animal is this?
Sheep. Sheep.
A sheep. Very good. So, how do we spell sheep?
S-H-E-E-P.
Okay, very good. So you're going to find it here and encircle. S-H-E-E-P, encircle, sheep, and write on the blanks provided after the picture. Okay, next, number 4. What animal is this?
Duck. Duck.
Duck. Very good. How do you spell duck?
D-U-C-K. Duck.
Very
Duck.
good. D-U-C-K, duck. So encircle and write it on the blank. Okay, next, number 5. What animal is this?
Rat.
A rat. Very good.
Philip.
So, encircle rat, R-A-T, and write it on the blank. Okay, very good. So, this is for exercise number 3. Okay. Exercise number 3, we have the answers. Answers number 1, hen. 2, horse. 3, sheep. 4, duck. 5, rat. Okay. So is everyone finished?
Yes. Finish.
Okay, very good. Grade 2. Okay, this ends our topic for today about farm animals. So what are the farm animals that we have learned for today? We have learned about, can you give me animals that you have learned today?
Duck.
Dog. What else?
Rat.
Rat. What else? No more? Okay, cat. Horse.
Sheep.
Fish. Very good. Rabbit. Okay. A cat. Okay, so very good. So those are the farm animals that we have learned today. So again, farm animals are the animals that we can take care and that can live with people because they are not dangerous animals. Okay? So thank you, students, for joining teacher today. See you again next week.
See you again. Bye.
Have a nice day, everyone. Have a nice day, everyone. I will see you again on Wednesday, 1 o'clock. Okay, for our English smile. Okay, so thank you, students. See you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.